Over the weekend, traditionally left-leaning Saturday Night Live brutally mocked former Vice President and possible 2020 presidential hopeful, Joe Biden, for his recent scandal involving a series of allegations of inappropriate sexual behavior. 8 separate accusers have now come out and all tell a similar story as to how Biden made them uncomfortable. Biden, who is seen by many as a potential threat to President Trump, has been plagued by recent allegations, leaving many to believe his chances at running are in peril. While Saturday Night Live has focused much of its content around the Trump presidency throughout the past several years, the scathing portrayal of Biden indicates a tough road ahead for the former VP, should he continue eyeing the White House. Watch. Last week, President Trump took to Twitter, where he welcomed back Joe Biden, by sharing a hilarious parody video that roasted Biden's apology and highlighted his creepy hugs. Welcome back, Joe. pic.twitter.com/b2nbbsx3sx, Donald J. Trump, @RealDonaldTrump, April 4, 2019.